Welcome back to Cardano land. I hope all of you are doing great. Before I start the video, make sure to join our Discord. It's completely free. We are over 15,000 members on here. We do have a VIP section with private signals for new tokens. And recently we hit the 50x. One token called Shiba 2K22 made over 50x. I can show you the call here. It was posted on my Telegram here. And yes, it did over 25x back then from launch, and it hit a 50x. Someone even made 11k euros out of 800 in the group, so that's quite crazy. So make sure to join that, and let's get right into the video. So investing in Cardano looked very promising in 2022. The crypto market crash turned everything upside down. Crypto investors are not rethinking their trading strategy and setting their exit positions. On the other hand, this market fiasco is not only present in the crypto space, but also in many markets such as the equity market. Important economical and geopolitical events are happening, pushing prices lower. Now that Cardano prices are established around $1 again, should we jump and buy ADA in anticipation of higher prices later this year? Let's tackle everything about ADA in this Cardano price prediction. So by looking at this chart here, I made this myself, guys. And I even had a video up on my other YouTube channel where I told you up here I would take profit now. And I personally still sold all my crypto, or most of my crypto, at $60,000. And I'm looking to re-enter lower. And so far this trading plan worked out perfectly here. So before I get into Cardano, I want to have a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has a huge impact on all other altcoins. And many of you probably know Bitcoin had a huge crash as well. So by looking at these levels here, so I draw a pitchfork from up here, from the highs, which has been respected really well, as you can see. Here we nearly broke through it, but the monthly support level here managed to hold up. So far we are seeing some sort of support down here, which is really nice for Bitcoin. I would have been even more bearish if we broke through this pitchfork and even broke through this monthly level on a daily time frame. So let's look at ADA now. All right, people, here you can see ADA, and as you can see here, I told you before, we are currently hitting this $1 support level here. So as you can see here, this support level got tapped so many times, so this is a strong support level here. And I think for myself, I also think that it's really important that we hold this $1 mark here, $1.50. We are still on the time frame in a bear trend, though. You can see that by looking at that we're making by looking at the highs and the lows, we are making lower highs. For example, this high was lower than this high, and so on. We're also making lower lows, so that means we are still in a bear market for now. And the most bullish sign for Cardano here would be that we managed to climb out of this bear trend. So what does that mean? Many people would probably draw following me here. I'm going to draw it on my chart as well. They would draw this trend line here from up here to up here probably. And I think it's gonna be really important. You can even take it from here. I would actually take it from here as well. So this is the trend line. And by the way, this is where I told you to sell the Cardano up here. I'm gonna remove that though, because it doesn't matter anymore. I'm gonna also remove this Fibonacci levels here. So yes, guys, I think it's really important that we break this daily downtrend here. That would be really nice if we manage to break this red line here. So around which price would that be? It would be around $1.4, so around $1.4, or even a little bit lower. The longer this goes on, the lower this downtrend line goes, right? So it is really important that we break that level. Another thing that I want to show you guys is based on technical analysis. What I always do is I do draw the fixed range tool, because that for me has shown such great respect. Just let me do it quickly here. There we go. So as you can see here, this is the from the downtrend now only, and this is the point of control from the downtrend. Another thing that we can see here, well, that makes sense. There's not a lot of volume down here, but yeah, I'm not gonna leave this on here because the point of control is way too high here. I don't think we're gonna get up here in the next days at least. So I'm gonna pull this from the whole, wow. Oh, that would make sense here. Wait, I gotta take it from here, I think. But as you can see here, we actually nearly hit the value area low here at 90 cents for Cardano. So it could be possible here actually that we see a retracement, especially if Bitcoin goes sees some strength as well. That would be really bullish. I think if Bitcoin, honestly, my prediction is if Bitcoin manages to hold the support that I showed you before, then we're gonna see an increase in the price for Cardano as well, most likely. And we probably would be able to break this downtrend, and that would leave us to a huge target as well if we manage to break this red line here. Yeah, I really think it's important to hold this. If we lose this, the next level would be really far below at 30 cents. And obviously I'm gonna buy a lot of Cardano if we hit that level here for sure. So this is my prediction, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to join our Discord and see you in the next